In this video, I'll show you how I do Etsy research before creating products. Today, I'll be focusing on research for the 4th of July. Before we begin, I've shared an Etsy research report for the 4th of July on my Patreon. Patrons can access it for free. In this video description, you will find a link to a video that shows what's included in the report and how to use it. Now back to the report. To save time and gain deeper insights, I use the paid EverBee research tool, but I'll also show you how to do it without spending any money. First, I collect all related tags with potential. You can do this with the free version of EverBee. The keywords you see here are available in the free version, and you can do it just as I do. Simply check the products on the first page for the main keyword and copy the related keywords. If you find something you're unsure about, do some research on Google. Often, these keywords are valuable, but not in this case. Here is a list I came up with. Here's how EverBee's keywords CSV file looks. This is the file I exported at the beginning. EverBee sends it to your email. Once I have my list of related keywords from Etsy, I ask ChatGPT to provide more closely related keywords. ChatGPT gives me additional related keywords, and I add some of them to my list. Then, I use these keywords for future research. You can search for Etsy bestsellers for each keyword, or if you have the paid version of EverBee, you can check them much faster. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.